In today's video, I am going to teach you how to align a Mailerlite domain. Aligning your domain in Mailerlite is an important setup task if you plan to send emails from your own website domain. It helps Mailerlite recognize that you are authorized to send from that domain, and it can improve deliverability so more of your messages land where they should. To begin, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you are inside your dashboard, look to the top area for your profile icon. This is where Mailerlite keeps account-level options. Click that profile icon to open the menu, then choose Account Settings. Take your time here because many users click around the campaign area by mistake. Domain alignment is managed from the Account Settings section. Inside Account Settings, find and select Domains. This page is where you manage domain-related options, including settings connected to sending email. When the Domains section opens, look for the area labeled Sending Domains. This is specifically for the domain you want your outgoing emails to use, which is different from things like website tracking or landing page links. Under Sending Domains, click Add Domain. This starts the process of adding the domain you want to send from. When Mailerlite prompts you for details, enter the email address you use for your domain. For example, this should be an address that ends with your domain name rather than a free email provider. Make sure you type it carefully because even a small typo can cause problems later. After you enter the email address, click Save. This confirms the domain information you provided and adds it under your Sending Domains list. A helpful tip is to use an email address that you actively control and can access, since domain-related tools sometimes rely on accurate account information. Also, if you manage multiple domains, double-check that you are adding the one you intend to use for sending so your campaigns stay consistent. And that is all there is to it.